What's going on, guys? Today is a very exciting day for me. We are on the road for once. We've got a chassis on the trailer and we are going down to a new place. What is this new place, you might ask? You're about to find out. And here we are, the new home of Class Act Fabrication. So we are now renting a small space in a shop. It's just this corner. So it's basically from this lift over to the corner over there. So it's enough room for 3 vehicle spots pretty much, kind of at an angle here. The entry door is right here, so I kind of putting the cars at an angle right here. And the plan here is to put the plasma table in the corner right there and have a little fab area on that side, toolboxes along the wall, and then have possibly a car here, and then the lift spot. So as you guys know, this is a huge upgrade for me. I am super pumped to have this opportunity to expand and really grow the shop, because at my house the shop space was super limited. I had to turn down cars all the time just because I didn't have a place to put them. I could really only take 1 car at a time, leaving the driveway area open for building chassis and stuff. So this really opens it up a lot for me, and I'm super excited. So we've got this whole space right here, and then 1 office up front, which is kind of nice for me. That'll give me some office space to do all my computer work and all that kind of stuff, accounting, all that fun stuff. So right now I just got finished setting up this new cart because I got a new welder for the shop, because I'm going to leave my other welder at my house. That way I can still assemble chassis at the house, and then down here we'll be doing like actual full vehicle builds and welding chassis. I'm going to tack them all together at the house, bring them down here and fully weld down here. That way I'm in a enclosed building, don't have to worry about wind or anything. Be a lot nicer for welding chassis. Brought down another DIY chassis kit that's going to go out next week along with another one, so I'll store it here until then. But as usual, being in a new space, brand new welder setup, I got all the way down here and realized that the new welder doesn't come with contact tips for 035 wire, and I forgot to bring a welding bottle. So now I got to go hit the welding supply store, get a bottle, get some consumables, and then get started welding on this chassis. So for some of you guys new to watching the channel, I have been full-time with my business for the last year. It was actually when I got back from Trail Hero last year that I went back to the shop after getting home and decided to part ways with the shop I was working for and just go full-time with doing my own business. Since then, it's been kind of a struggle just working out of the house, out of my super small shop garage setup, and really just wanted to make it work as long as I could, getting all the equipment in there that I got. I really made the decision to invest in the equipment that I would need rather than invest in a big space with lack of equipment. So I chose to put all my money into equipment, and for the last year that's really paid off for me. So last month some friends of mine came over and said, hey, we're in this shop and we're looking to rent some space out in it, would you be interested? And I was like, well, how much are we talking? And it just so happened that the price was perfect for what I could do right now. Their plan sometime next year is to build a shop on their property and move out of the shop that they're in right now. At that time, I would love to take over the full shop. But right now I'm just not quite ready to have a shop of that size. It's a 4,000 square foot shop with like 3 offices up front. And that's like my dream, is to take over that size shop, but I'd like to kind of grow into it. So that's where we're at right now. Just going to start out with the like 1,000 square feet that we got. I've got the spot in the back and then 1 office up front. So that's going to really allow me to kind of, like I said, open up business to take more full vehicle builds rather than just doing chassis and small work. So Alright, so day one of working at the shop was a success. That was super nice. Just welding the chassis, not having to fight the carport or dragging the welder around, flipping the chassis over in a small space or anything like that. Is just a game changer for me. So I'm gonna have to get used to this whole driving thing again. I haven't commuted to work in a year, so this is gonna be fun with the SoCal traffic, but luckily it's not too far from my house, and I mean, just the perks of being in a shop is amazing. So this is gonna be a super short video, but just wanted to get you guys the update of what's going on, and stay tuned for what we got to come in this shop. I'm gonna get all moved in and get my toolboxes set up. Like I said, I'm gonna move the plasma table over, and yeah, just get settled in. So thank you guys for watching. Keep it classy, and I'll see you guys next time.